y'all, it's Crystal with MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make my homemade strawberries and cream bread. So we're going to start off by creaming some butter, sugar, and cream cheese in a bowl. So here's 1 stick of butter that's been softened, room temperature, a cup of sugar, and an 8-ounce package of cream cheese that's also at room temperature. And I'm going to use my electric mixer and beat it up till it's nice and creamy. Now to this, I'm going to add 2 eggs, one at a time, creaming after I add each one. And the second egg. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to put this aside and grab another bowl for my dry ingredients. To my bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of bread flour, or all-purpose flour will work. And here I have a half a teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add that into my mixture. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now I got my wet mixture, and I'm going to add the dry mixture to it. And stir it up to combine it. And now I'm going to add 3/4 cup of buttermilk. And if you don't have any buttermilk on hand, you can use regular milk too. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of fresh strawberries that I have diced into little pieces. I'm going to gently fold that in, and your batter will be super thick. And this will be a super thick batter, almost like a cookie dough. So I have a loaf pan here that I have greased with some Crisco and sprinkled with some flour to prevent any kind of sticking. And I am just going to scoop my bread dough into my loaf pan. And so while I have used fresh strawberries in this, I've also switched out the strawberries for peaches, for blackberries, for blueberries. Any kind of fruit would be delicious in this fruit bread. So my strawberries and cream bread has just come out of the oven, and it is not only looking delicious, but it is smelling delicious. It cooked at 350 degrees for about 65 minutes. And I'm gonna let it sit here and rest on my wire rack, and then I'm gonna dig in and eat some. If you like this recipe, then you can find it on my website, MrsHappyHomemaker.com, along with a whole bunch more delicious recipes. And if you're not following me on social media, please do so. I'm Mrs. Happy Homemaker on Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and Instagram, and I'm That Housewife on Twitter, because Mrs. Happy Homemaker, well, it just wouldn't fit.